Jai Sriman Because Kaikamma probably regretting for all of her actions, she started prior to Sumitra and Kausalya. While so many people, groups, they have started and they started talking about the glory and greatness of Ramachandra Swami. Tasyaivacha kathaha chitraha kurvana hrushtamanasaha. They all with so much of happiness started remembering great qualities, attributes of Rama. They are saying that Meghasyamam, the moment we see Rama, we will forget all our pains and we will forget all our troubles. Such wonderful, pleasant face Sri Ramachandra Swami always has. Sri Ramachandra Swami is Mahabahum, huge and very strong shoulders our Rama has. Sthirasattvam Drudhavratam, whoever approaches Rama for protection, the Ramachandra Swami would never step back to take care of everyone whoever approaches him. Such great resolution man, determined man Ramachandra Swami is. Ramaha Jagataha Sokanasanam. Rama is only the one who can remove the pain and grief of everyone in this entire universe. As and how when the sun rises, darkness goes. So also when we see Rama, our all ignorance and all our grief, sokam will also go. Like this, people are talking about Ramachandra Swami, Tushyanti cha, Ramanti cha. They are all enjoying their travel only by talking about Sri Ramachandra Swami with extreme amount of happiness. They are all each other hugging each other. Parishvajanascha anyonyam. While hugging each other, they are enjoying their travel. In that travel, so many people joined. Those who sharpens diamonds, they are going. Those who makes the pots, they are also going. Those who makes the cloths, those who makes the weapons, those who makes the umbrellas, those who makes the fans, those who are who does the welding work, those who paints the walls, those who makes the perfumes, and all the people started along with Bharata. Not only that, Samahita Vedavido Brahmana Vrittasammataha Goradhaihi Bharatam Yantam Anujagmuhu Sahasrasaha. There are so many great scholars, yogis, Vedavetas, Vedic scholars, and all those great Brahmanas, thousands of Brahmanas, they all are going along with Bharata in their own vehicles to bring Ramachandra Swami back. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.